Nolan, hey, what are you doing? You fall over there and they eat you. Yum. How far down that is? I'd never be able to get Whoa! Who said that? Was it you? Or was it you? Was it? Don't lie to me. I know. No. We're not throwing stuff in there. Nope. You can just toss it in. Come on. Oh, you want a picture? Here. I'm gonna face this way.
Oh yeah.
No. You think they just stand up there hard to live? Man, his neck.
I love the lighting that they're in today. Yeah. Usually when I go to zoos it's all cloudy and murky, but today it's really nice.
No. I got one.
Hopefully he's going to the acacia station so we can actually see him up close.
No, he's gonna chew this tree.
No, he doesn't like me at all. The one over here.
Those two are eating and wondering what the heck he's doing.
I want to eat the tree.
Almost. It's like this far. Could reach the trees right there.
Yeah. It's just that one back there. His spots are a bit different than the other ones.
Yeah, they're more spaced out. They don't have that solid line.
He's...
What you doing? Got your stuff right here. Don't worry, I got it. What you doing?
What's he doing?
He's eating.
Eating?
Be careful with your hat. No, I didn't get it eaten.
You wanna ride it?
Oh, tree.
Just let me go. Right here, because she's still small. Come here, little girl. There you go, good job.
Good job, Alan.
Sorry. You like the computer? Here, right here. There's Steve. Come on, so you want to feed her again? You can feed her again. Oh, here comes some more. Yeah, that one won't come up to the deck. Yeah, he's shy.
You want to feed him and I'll take video?
Yeah, sure.
Lightly.
There you go. Enjoy.
Alright, does anybody else want to feed? If you girls, since you've fed a couple times, you step back, you can take another turn after everybody else has a turn. But we want everyone at least to get one chance. Did you feed him already? Mommy! Come here, baby. Quite like that, but baby, you just did you feed it? No, they're good. Can I take that?
Nom 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 nom.
It looks like they have You can get licked.
Wow.
Excuse me.
That one doesn't come up to that. They don't know why. They really don't know why.
Look how tall my tongue is. And it's, what color is it again? It is. That's natural sunscreen.
And I can see the pink.
They can grab her. Isn't it amazing how they can
Guys, you want to feed her one more time and then step aside and we'll let somebody else have a chance.
What do you say, boys?
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, step back and let the other people feed that haven't had a chance yet. Who has a leaf?
It's amazing.
What's that one?
Okay, give her one more and then we'll let this lady feed her.
They don't, it doesn't
No,
look
go
like
ahead,
they
step
like
on up.
secure it.
Go ahead.
How does the water come in the last time?
It's younger, isn't it? Like the baby? Is that like baby?
Baby elephant?
On the top, it looks so short. And like frayed.
Yeah. I think.
And it's smaller.
Yeah, it might be a younger one. The one over there was pretty huge.
Yeah. And this one has really long tusks. Nom nom nom. No, I don't want that piece. She's one. Beep, beep, beep.